Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Joyasri Roy, Assistant Professor in Geography, Vidyasagar Teachers Training College, Midnapur, Paschim Midnapur, West Bengal. Today I am going to present my assignment of the short-term course of AMU. My assignment is quantitative research. What is quantitative research? Quantitative methodology is the dominant research framework in the social science. It refers to a set of strategies, techniques, and assumptions used to study psychological, social, and economic process through the exploration of numeric pattern. Quantitative research gathers a range of numeric data. Some of the numeric data is intrinsically quantitative, while in other cases the numeric structure is imposed. The collection of quantitative information allows researchers to conduct simple to extremely sophisticated statistical analysis that aggregate the data, show relationship among the data, or compare across the aggregate data. Okay. What is the purpose of quantitative research? The purpose of quantitative research is to generate knowledge and create understanding about the social world. Quantitative research is used by social scientists, including communication researchers, to observe phenomena or occurrence affecting individuals. Social scientists are concerned with the study of people. Quantitative research is a way to learn about a particular group of people known as a sample population. Using scientific inquiry, quantitative research relies on data that are observed or measured to examine questions about the sample population. How do I know the study of quantitative design? Or what type of quantitative study is it? Studies do not always explicitly state what kind of research design is being used. You will need to know how to decipher which design type is used, the how you will get this is the processing, that is the another matter. So, the quantitative research, there are so many types of the quantitative research. At first, the quantitative research, there are characteristics of the quantitative research. At first, I talk about the quantitative research, the characteristics, the measurable value, measurable variables. The data collection methods in quantitative research are structured and contain items requiring measurable variables such as age, number of the family members, salary range, highest education, etc. etc. Sample size. No matter what data analysis methods for quantitative research are being used, the sample size is kept such that it represents that target market. As the main aim of the research methodology is to get numerical insights, the sample size is fairly large. Depending on the survey objective and scope, it might span hundreds of thousands of people. Well-structured data representation. That is the another characteristics of the quantitative research. There are so many types of the quantitative research. Number one, survey research. Surveys are the easiest, most common, and one of the most sought after the quantitative research technique. The main aim of a survey is to widely gather and describe the characteristics of the target population or customers. Surveys are the foremost quantitative method preferred by both small and large organizations. There are two types of survey research, a cross-sectional survey research and longitudinal survey research. Next type is the descriptive research. This research methodology aims to explain to current status and identified and measurable the variable. Descriptive research. Correlation research. This research method is used when you have to establish a relation between two close business entitles and figures out how one of them impacts the other. You need at least two separate samples or population groups for correlation research. Then experimental research. This is one of the unique types of the quantitative research method. As it is based on one or more theories, it is also termed true experimentation and can use the scientific method for establishing the cause and effect relation over a group of research variables. Then interviews. The interviews are one-on-one interaction where the researcher asks questions to the response directly. Apart from in-person interviews, the researchers can also have telephonic or online interviews where the respondent do not have to be physically present. Quantitative method, some examples. The study identified the ways in which the family business behavior changed with the demographic change and had why and how questions. Okay, their quantitative research method allow the why and how team to deeper and the mindset and perspectives of the business owners and uncover the unexpected research avenue as well as. Okay, so there are non-probability sampling is of 5 different types: consecutive sampling, convenience sampling, judgmental sampling, quota sampling, and snowball sampling. Okay, thank you.